U.S. stocks, they took a sharp nosedive across the board Thursday afternoon with the Dow Jones on track for its worst day of 2013. This after Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke hinted the central bank may scale back its asset purchases later this year. Now, with the declines from the last two trading sessions, the Dow Jones and the S&P 500 were on pace to wipe out all of their gains from May as well as June. Now, Fed policymakers said in a statement on Wednesday that the central bank would keep buying $85 billion in bonds a month. However, in a press conference, Chairman Ben Bernanke said that if the economy continues to improve, the central bank could start winding down its asset purchasing program towards the end of 2013 and even wrap up in 2014. Those comments sparked an initial sell-off Wednesday, with the Dow Jones closing down more than 200 points. Meanwhile, this session on the economic front, existing home sales figures, they jumped in May to its highest level in 3.5 years. Factory activity in the Mid-Atlantic region rose to 12.5 in June. However, jobless claims figures, they jumped 18,000 to a seasonally adjusted 354,000 last week. And with gold prices down more than 6%, falling below $1,300 an ounce for the first time since September 2010. European shares closing deeply in the red across the board, Asia also getting slammed, and China's reading of manufacturing activity falling to a 9-month low in June. It looked to be another very rough session for the big board this Thursday. Speaking of which, taking a look now to see how the Dow Jones has performed today. The Dow Jones on the downside. Triple digits once again, this time down 353.87 points to settle in well below 15,000 at 14,756.32. In a breakdown of today's major market movers, we first begin with shares of Facebook, which at its press event introduced video features on its photo sharing app Instagram, where users will now be able to record 15-second clips and choose from 13 video filters. The new product comes just 6 months after the release of Vine, Twitter's 6-second mobile video capture application. Also amongst techs, Microsoft declining today after reports said that the tech company has planned to acquire Finland's Nokia, but talks had broken down. Also, Microsoft announced a major change to its Xbox One video game console, saying that the console will no longer require an internet connection to play offline games. It also dropped all restrictions on trading games and did away with region locking restrictions.